Hey, before you scroll past like it was just another spec list, let me say this like I would to someone who feels when their setup just isn't keeping up anymore. The Deco Gear curved 49-inch Super Ultrawide. Take a moment right now to check the current price and stock, because panels this immersive and this feature-rich don't tend to stay at a stable number for long. This is for the person who's sick of dual monitor struggle and the awkward seams between screens, the one who knows exactly what it feels like when something should feel bigger but it doesn't. You knew it was time to upgrade the second your eyes kept racing for more horizontal space, when spreadsheets felt cramped, games felt boxed in, and productivity trips felt like jumping between windows instead of flowing through them. Once you experience a proper 32:9 ultrawide that wraps your field of view and smooths out your workflow, there's no going back to compromise. Living with this monitor daily changes the way your workspace feels. You'll pull up a game and suddenly you're inside it, the corners filled, the scene stretched, the world believable. You'll stack your code editor next to your review docs without hunting for space. You'll watch movies without chopped frames, without awkward borders. Even casual browsing feels richer because everything is easier to see, easier to manage, easier to control. And it's not just about the size. It's about how the 144Hz refresh brings fluidity to motion, no more judder or hesitation. The 4 milliseconds response feels like the screen keeps up with you rather than chasing behind. Adaptive sync kills staring so gameplay feels smooth and cohesive. HDR400 might not be pro cinema, but when it's present like this, it makes highlights and shadows feel alive in a way flat panels just never do. Before you look away, check that price again. Waiting on a sizable upgrade like this is one of the expensive regrets people end up kicking themselves for later. Stock thins, numbers creep up, and suddenly the moment you should have pulled the trigger is gone. If you're hesitating because you think single ultra-wide might feel weird, let that thought fade. Once you're in that wide field, the seams disappear, the distraction drops away, and your attention goes where it's supposed to, on what matters. Worried about USB-C? Between that 65 watts delivery and the productivity boost of KDM, you're not just plugged in, you're streamlined. PBP/PIP means multitasking doesn't feel like juggling, it feels intentional and clear. What surprises most people isn't just the space, it's the confidence you get from it. You feel rooted in your workspace like it responds to you. Your games look expansive and continuous. Multiple windows feel natural, not cluttered. Creative workflows finally have room to breathe. Every session feels intentional and anchored. It's not a tiny panel hiding behind bezels. It demands horizontal focus and engagement. At some point, you stop bouncing between sizes and realize this was the view you've been reaching for, the one your eye kept circling back to. Don't let this be the upgrade you look back on with a sigh, wishing you'd acted sooner. When a monitor genuinely transforms how you see and work, the confident choice becomes obvious. Check the current listing and make it yours while the timing's right. You'll feel the difference the very first time you drag a window across it.